In the heart of County Durham, England, lies a town steeped in historical significance, a testament to the resilience of human civilization. This town is Bellingham, a name that echoes with the richness of Anglo-Saxon heritage. With origins dating back to the Anglo-Saxon era, Bellingham's history is a vibrant tapestry of culture, industry, and human endeavor. The roots of Bellingham plunge deep into the fertile soil of Anglo-Saxon England. The town's etymology provides a glimpse into its early history. The name Bellingham is believed to be derived from Billa's people's place, a testament to the community's early settlers. The Anglo-Saxon period was a time of societal transformation, and Bellingham was no exception. Its history is a page out of the annals of the Anglo-Saxon Chronicles, a period marked by the rise of kingdoms, the spread of Christianity, and the development of distinct cultural practices. As we journey through the timeline, we reach the turn of the 20th century, a time when Bellingham underwent a significant transformation. The town became a hub of the chemical industry, with the establishment of the Bellingham manufacturing plant. This was a time of rapid industrialization, and the town was at the forefront of this change. The plant became a major producer of chemicals for agriculture, marking a new chapter in the town's history. Imperial Chemical Industries, or ICI, played a significant role in this industrial revolution. From the early 1900s, ICI was a major player in Bellingham's chemical industry. The company even operated a nuclear reactor at its Bellingham factory from 1971 to 1988, further cementing the town's status as a hub of industrial innovation. The 1990s brought about another major change in the town's industrial landscape. Following the restructuring of ICI, the Bellingham Chemical Industrial Park became a multi-company facility. This transformation opened up new opportunities for the town, attracting businesses from diverse sectors. Today, Bellingham is home to various chemical, biotechnology, and engineering companies, including Fujifilm Diosynth Biotechnologies, a company at the forefront of the global fight against COVID-19. Bellingham's industrial prowess doesn't end here. The town boasts an anhydrite mine that has been the subject of proposals for nuclear waste disposal. This speaks volumes about the town's capacity for innovation and its willingness to explore new frontiers. But Bellingham's history is not just about industry, it's also about governance. The town had its own urban district council until 1968, reflecting its rich political heritage. Today, it is part of the larger borough of Stockton-on-Tees, with the civil parish of Bellingham being the largest area in the Stockton borough. Nestled amidst the hustle and bustle of industry and governance, Bellingham's natural beauty is a sight to behold. The town features protected green spaces like the Bellingham Beck Valley Country Park, a sanctuary that offers a breath of fresh air amidst the industrial hub. To sum up, Bellingham's story is one of growth and transformation. From its humble beginnings in the Anglo-Saxon era to its rise as a hub of industry and governance, the town stands as a testament to human resilience and innovation. Today, Bellingham is a vibrant town, a blend of history and modernity, industry and nature. It's a town that has embraced change while staying rooted in its rich historical heritage. And so, the story of Bellingham continues, a story that encapsulates the essence of human civilization.